What you guys see here is, I want to assume, a 1982 for the model year Montgomery Ward GEN-3960. This boombox was made in Japan, and the OEM was Silver. Silver is officially known as Shin-Shirasuna Electric Corp. And they didn't make very many boom boxes, but the ones they did were like mid-level and top of the line boom boxes. And a lot of ones we got in the US were under the Montgomery Ward store brand. This boombox is a clone of the Silver SR5000. And really the only differences other than the name are this one has red LEDs all over. The Silver version has like a green LED on the tuning indicator right here and an amber light on the pause button, I believe. Otherwise identical. This is a compact boombox, but being from the real boombox era, don't let that fool you. This thing is heavy. It's actually heavier than the Sanyo M9935K of the previous video. And these speakers are detachable, although they don't have the electrical connections like the realistic Funai. I'll show that in the back. The front faceplate is brushed aluminum, and it has plenty of features. There's your power back, tuning indicator, stereo, left and right built-in microphones, function selector, beat cancel, metal tape select, normal and chrome, 1/4-inch headphone jack, microphone inputs, slider controls for volume, bass, and treble, recording level VU meter, tape counter, and soft touch controls, as well as soft eject. The speakers are 4-inch speakers with a whizzer cone. We'll turn around and get the back shot. As you can see, the detachable part, it works just like the realistic Funai, where you have to put in this case, you just put the handle all the way down and then these release like that, and they have the little pegs. But unlike that one, it's not electrically connected. You have to have the little cables. All Silver boomboxes have the similar, at least the detachable ones, have the same backing as this. They all look the same in the rear. Has aux in, tape out, external speakers, 4 to 8 ohms, 9-volt external power, 120-volt AC input. There's the Montgomery Ward label. There's the actual model number of the Montgomery Ward, GEN-3960. And it takes 6D batteries right there. But as you can see just by the size of it, it's ultra compact, but it weighs a lot. And it does pack a punch. It is quite loud. This was a thrift store find. And first we'll start off with radio operation.
Portable protein packs, a snack with up to 13 grams of protein from 3 delicious ingredients: meat, cheese, and nuts, because 3 is better than 1. P3 is packaged in convenient on-the-go containers, so if you have a hectic commute or need a boost of energy, P3 is there to help you take on the day.
Randy Valley for your CBD store these past few...
Every single time.
Yeah, same reasoning as before. Have poor reception where I'm at.
Jericho's winner is
In full swing with Tuesday bike nights all summer. Indoor and outdoor dining with happy hour from 5 to 7 and no cover charge. Open Tuesday through Saturday and following all safety guidelines.
Okay, so there's that. Now, we'll try cassette operation. Has everything but Dolby noise reduction. And let's see, here's the selector for it. AM tape. Alright, so here it is, cassette operation. I'm going to play back that tape I recorded in the previous couple videos. So make sure these are out because it's normal bias. Tailspin again. Pause. Love how it has all these indicator lamps. Also observe how this mechanical control, the soft touch controls work, and as you press it in, it holds the button for a second while it rotates the cam in there. Like that. So now we're going to do a record test with the built-in microphones, and you can do it like this. You press that, and so now it's in record, and there we go. There is no manual level control, it's just automatic, but it does do the full range. This is a record test of the Montgomery Ward model GEN-3960 Boombox, compact boombox by Silver of Japan, using the built-in microphones. Left microphone, right microphone. Let's see how this came out. Okay, I did reset the tape counter. This is a record test of the Montgomery Ward model GEN-3960 Boombox, compact boombox by Silver of Japan, using the built-in microphones. Left microphone, right microphone. Let's see how this came out. Stop before music plays again. So, sounds rather good. AC bias, everything, the works. Now I'm going to record something from line in and see if I can get this to work for fair use. Also, I figured I'd show you from that same Tailspin soundtrack from when I did the Realistic Modulaire 1000. This is a Type 2 cassette. Got the equalization set for chrome. And this is how it sounds with a chrome cassette. I'm gonna do another test recording with Tailspin direct from a CD source. So I'm on pause. Now that's the only thing though, since this didn't have manual level control, the dynamic range on that song was kind of compromised. I could hear at the beginning where it was supposed to be quiet, it boosted it, and then as it got loud, it lowered it. So that's why for music recording and other applications, you need manual level control. Automatic level control is good for quick on the spot live recording, but not for music. But otherwise, it did work properly. You know, this is how, you know, how an automatic level control, automatic gain control should work. Rewind all the way to the beginning for full automatic stop. Also ignore the tape counter. I didn't reset it for this tape, plus the tape was in the middle. It'd be funny if it was like right on, but it's not. And that's it. And I did this just for size reference from the previous video of the Sanyo versus the Montgomery Ward, aka Silver. Huge difference, but just because it's compact doesn't mean it can't pack a punch. Thank you for watching, and hit like and subscribe.